Hello everyone. In continuation to our topic analytical geometry, this is question 7. An equilateral triangle has one vertex at 3, 4 and another at -2, 3. Find the coordinate of third vertex. So equilateral triangle, let the vertices be A, B, C, and let A is equal to 3, 4 and B is equal to -2, 3. So these two are given in the question. We are supposed to find what is C. In an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Which means that AB should be equal to BC and that should be equal to CA. So let us first find out what is distance AB. AB will be square root of 3 minus or -2. So it becomes +2 plus 4 minus 3 the square. So this is square root of 5 square, which is 25, 1 square, which is 1. So we get root 26 units. That is our AB. Now, this should be equal to BC also. This AB should be equal to BC, which means that I can say AB square is equal to BC the square. That means AB square will become 26 is equal to BC square. So let us consider this C as x, y. So BC square means this -2 minus x, or I can do it reverse, x minus or -2, it becomes x plus 2, the square, plus y minus 3, the square, without square root because already we wrote square here. Now let us expand this. This works out to x square plus 4 plus 4x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y. That means 26 is equal to x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y. 9 plus 4, it is 13. Now, taking that 13 to the left-hand side, we will have 26 minus 13 equal to x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y. Or we can simplify this as 13 is equal to x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y. Consider this as equation 1. Now let us take BC square, BC equal to CA. BC is equal to CA means BC square is equal to CA square. Now BC square already we evaluated, we wrote it in the right hand side of the previous one. So let me write that. And it is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 13. I'm just copying this expression here because that is nothing but BC square. Now this is to be equated to CA square. What is CA square? X minus 3 the square plus y minus 4 the square. That means x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 13 equal to, let us expand this, x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 16 minus 8y. Now we can cancel both sides x square, both sides y square. Let us bring everything to the left hand side. So 4x minus 6y plus 13. If I take this minus 6x that side, it becomes positive 6x. And then minus 8y that side, it becomes positive 8y. This together, it is 9 plus 16, 25. If I take it to the other side, it is minus 25. So we took everything. So it is equated to 0. Now 4x plus 6x, it becomes 10x. Minus 6y plus 8y, it becomes plus 2y. 13 minus 25, it is negative 12 equal to 0. Or we can rewrite this as 10x plus 2y equal to 12. Divide both sides by 2, we get 5x plus y equal to 6. So we can rewrite this as y is equal to 6 minus 5x. Consider this as equation 2. We will substitute now equation 2 in equation 1. Substituting 2 in 1, we get, what is our 1? X square plus y square. Instead of y square, I'll write 6 minus 5x the square. And then plus 4x. And then minus 6 times y. Minus 6 times 6 minus 5x is equal to what? 30. 1, 3. Now let us expand this. We will get x square plus, if I expand 6 minus 5x square, we will get 36 plus 25x square minus 60x plus 4x minus 36 minus, plus 30x equal to 30. So this 36 and 36 we can cancel. X square plus 25x square, we get 26x square. This one minus 60 plus 30, it is minus 30. Plus 4, it becomes minus 26x. And then I think we considered this also. So only thing left is equal to 30. So now divide both sides by 30. We get 2x square minus 2x equal to 1. Or we will write it as 2x square minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. So general quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If it is so, then we have x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So we will apply that in this. So here we may note a is here. A is 2, b is negative 2, c is negative 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus b, minus or minus 2, plus or minus square root of b square minus 2 the square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2a. So we will have now x is equal to minus or minus 2, it becomes plus 2 plus or minus square root of, this is 4 minus or minus, it becomes plus 4 2s are 8 divided by 4. That is 2 plus or minus root 12 by 4. Further, 12 can be written as 4 into 3. So root 4 can be taken outside. That will become, that 4, if I take it outside, it will become root 4. So it is nothing but 2. So x is equal to 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 by 4, which is dividing numerator and denominator by 2, you get 1 plus or minus root 3 by 2. That means our y will be, what is y? 6 minus 5x. 6 minus 5 times this x. So y equal to, now let us take LCM, common LCM as 2. So this becomes 12 minus 5 times 1 plus or minus root 3. That is equal to 12 minus 5, minus into plus or minus, it becomes minus plus 5 root 3 by 2. That becomes 7 minus or plus 5 root 3 by 2. So therefore the coordinates C will be 1. If x is 1 plus root 3 by 2, then y will be 7 minus 5 root 3 by 2. Or if x is 1 minus root 3 by 2, then y will be 7 plus 5 root 3 by 2. So that will be the solution for this question.